Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Event Viewer because it records every Windows error. Press Win+R, type Event for MSC, and hit Enter. You need admin rights so you can see full entries. Once the console is open, expand Windows Logs and click System, then Application. These are where most hardware and app errors appear. Make sure to keep Event Viewer visible while you reproduce the problem so new entries show up live. This immediate capture helps link actions to error timestamps. Now you narrow down the noise to the actual error. Sort by date/time and set level to error or critical. This highlights serious failures. Once done, use Filter Current Log to enter time ranges or specific event ID, or press Ctrl+F to search keywords from the failure. When you open an event, read the General tab for plain language cause and the Details/XML tab for codes and parameters. These codes are what you'll use to diagnose root causes precisely. Finally, extract the actionable data. Copy the event ID, source, and full error text, then save the record or build a custom view for repeated monitoring. Next, correlate that info with Reliability Monitor and run system checks like SFC/Scano or DISM to repair corrupt files. This explains why the error occurs and how to fix it. If you see no entries, make sure you ran Event Viewer as administrator and reproduce the fault again. Otherwise, enable verbose logging or check hardware diagnostics as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.